So, what's your plan for tomorrow?
What plans? Nothing. I'll be at home.
Tomorrow is Raksha Bandhan.
So what? Does it even matter?
Leave it. You don't have a sister.
No sister, no tension.
Alright, but listen, people do have cousin sisters like uncle's daughter or aunt's daughter or any relative's daughter.
Yes. Of course, I had a cousin sister and she used to tie me Rakhi. But as the time went by, she stopped tying me Rakhi.
Why? You had a fight?
No, my friend. Actually, she fell in love with me.
Rubbish.
Yes, that's true. I was at my uncle's wedding
Okay.
and everybody was drinking. Everyone was high on alcohol. And after that, everyone left for their home. And just the two of us were left. Tell me something. Why did they got married so earlier? I don't understand who gets married at the age of 24.
No, I think that you are running too late. Being virgin at the age of 24, it's like. Are you virgin?
Of course. And you?
Yes. I have saved my virginity for a very special person in my life.
And who's that lucky guy?
You.
What?
You are my long-time crush.
We are cousin brother sisters.
So what? We are just cousins. If you want, we can have fun.
Are you crazy? It is not possible.
You just close your eyes and I will show you a magic. Mwah. Isn't it simple? If you want, we can do something more than that. You know what I mean?
That's what happened.
What are you saying? That means that night you two, huh?
No, my friend, we just kissed each other. Before we could go further, someone had come home.
That was bad. This shouldn't have happened. But still, it's good. You found a solution at home? That's good.
It is nothing like that. In fact, after that, I never met her in my life.
You didn't meet her?
No.
Hey, I have seen Amisha. She's very hot, man. Don't take it personally.
It doesn't look good with cousin sister. How will I face the society if they come to know about this thing? And you know that Neha is already there in my life. She's good, she's hot, and everything is fine.
That means the old offer is over.
Of course not, it is still on.
Okay. So why don't you go and meet her?
Hey, I'm not interested in that. There are a lot of girls that I can meet. But I am not
Hey, you just cut
interested.
that crap. Can you do anything for me? Please, my friend.
Will you give me 500?
What? 500 rupees? I won't give you anything.
Okay, so go and find a girl yourself.
You're impossible. Let's go.
Salil,
Yes, father?
son, please come here. Son, I'm going out for a while.
But father, so late in the night, where are you going?
What, Salil? You never know anything.
No, what happened?
Actually, Amisha,
What happened to Amisha?
actually, she got brain hemorrhage.
When did this happen?
She went for classes. She suddenly fainted over there.
Oh my god.
They took her to the hospital, and after doing the CT scan, the doctors revealed her disease.
But father, how is she now?
She was operated just yesterday.
Okay, father, if you're going there, call me from there so that I can talk.
No, son. I think that you should personally go and meet her.
Okay, father, if you say so, I'll go and meet her.
Good boy.
You opened the door? Where is uncle?
Papa has gone for work.
Hey, you look perfectly fine.
I'm not interested in talking to you
So why are you getting so angry about?
because you came late. That's why.
Okay, look what I got for you. This is the flower you like the
Thank
most.
you. Come. There's cold drink in the fridge if you want.
Hey, no thanks. Don't be so formal, okay? Why are you looking at me like this?
It's been so many days you didn't come to meet me. And now you have come to meet me when I'm going to die.
No one is going to die. You will live for 100 years.
Listen, your family didn't tell you anything. Tell me.
What?
Is that I'm going to die in few years.
Oh, really?
You're taking it as a joke? Should I show you my medical reports?
Hey, come on. Your operation was successful, right?
There is a hole in my brain. No operation can be successful.
Your brain is so much screwed since childhood. Now one operation can't fix everything.
Do you think it's all joke? You really don't know that how long I'm going to live?
You are a strong girl.
Yes. I just want to live the rest of my life happily and peacefully.
Now will you make me cry? I hate tears.
Why would you even care for me? You must have a girlfriend.
Yes, I have a girlfriend, so?
Then go to her. Why are you coming close to me? By the way, who's that lucky girl?
Her name is Neha.
I'm sure you have her photo.
Yes?
Show me. She's not at all beautiful than me.
Anything. What are you saying? You are a real sweetheart.
Come along with her on my funeral.
Hey Amisha, what rubbish do you keep talking?
Salil, I really don't know that how long I'm going to live. But I have a request. Please try to keep me happy.
Damn it, no.
Hello? Hello, Salil? Actually, I wanted to meet you.
Why, what happened? Did something happen?
No. Just wanted to spend time with you.
Should I come to your home?
No. Meet me at the garden near the statue.
What time?
Now, after some time?
Really? Yeah, okay. What happened? What's the hurry about? Is everything alright?
Yes. Well, just that I wanted to meet you. So I called you. God knows what happens tomorrow.
You know, I got so scared I thought something happened. Amisha, I don't think this is the right thing to do.
I know, but I can't stop my heart from loving you. And I don't want my heart to stop loving you. After all, my life is too short.
But Misha, I have a feeling this is not right.
Don't think. Just let me be in your arms for some time. I know that after I go, you will go and meet Neha.
But still, Amisha, please stay away. This is not right.
What my heart wants, only that's right. Can't you give a little bit happiness to your dying cousin? Life is too short. Live in the moment. Life is too short. Let's make some memories.
Hey, what are you thinking?
Nothing, my friend.
Really? I know what you're thinking. You're thinking about Amisha, isn't it?
Well,
See, I caught you. What happened? Tell me.
actually, she's getting on my nerve.
But what did she do that you are so irritated with her?
She calls me home whenever she likes and then tries to get closer to me.
This sounds very fun, my friend. But then, doesn't she knows about Neha?
She knows everything. She always tries to blackmail me, saying, I'm going to die, please fulfill my last wish.
And what is her last wish?
She wants to sleep with me.
Wow, that's great. By the way, you should always complete a person's last wish. It is a good thing to do.
Okay, so are you saying that I should cheat with Neha?
Give me the cigarette. You are such a big fool, really. Because you are worried about the world. Just think about yourself. You have an interview next week. Did you think about it?
No. Can you meet Misha instead of me?
Of course, why not? I am ready. Alright.
Hey, I am her cousin.
So,
Do you want me to become her pimp?
who cares? I'll get whatever I want.
Seriously, you are impossible.
Surprise!
You?
Yes. I already know that your parents are not here for 2 days. They went for the wedding.
Yes, so?
So what? We will celebrate.
Celebrate.
Yes, and I already know that you are selected in your interview. So that calls for a celebration.
Yes, I understand, but I have to get prepared for other interviews.
Oh, come on. Nothing will happen in a day. Let's celebrate. Come on, now let's go.
Oh god. You have totally ruined my life.
Let's go. Cheers.
Amisha, tell me something. In your current condition, all this, I mean, is alcohol allowed?
See, a dying person can do anything. Even if I get an attack, I have medicines on my back. You can give it to me. Understood?
I mean, do you really get panic attacks?
I have a mental disorder.
And what if you don't get medicine that time?
Maybe I can die.
Really? So I think we shouldn't be drinking this now. Instead of this, we will have cold drink.
Oh, come on. My life is at stake. Why are you getting bothered? Come on, drink. Sallu, I hope you know, since how long I have a crush on you?
Since when?
When we were at the age of 12, it was your birthday. And that day, all our cousins came. Do you remember?
Yes, I remember. The birthday party that my dad threw in the club.
Yes. That day, after cutting the cake, leaving besides all the cousins, you gave the first piece of the cake to me. Yes. Since that day, I had a crush on you.
Okay. Oh shit. So that's when I made this mistake.
That was not a mistake. Your heart told you to do so. And you did what your heart told you to do.
I didn't listen to my heart. I listened to your mom. Because as soon as the cake arrived, you started spoiling the cake with your finger.
What?
Yes, and that's why your mom told me as soon as I cut the cake, give it to my daughter first or else she will spoil the whole cake. That's why after cutting the cake, I gave it to you first so that I can save the cake.
Shut up. It's about feeling. You won't understand. These are signals sent by the God.
What rubbish! No one gives any sort of any signal.
And that day, I decided that I will never consider you as my brother. And I will put a ring on you.
Hey, listen, Misha, please don't say such things in front of me. The whole mood will get spoiled.
Now the magic of love is going to grow. Salil, listen, can you please grant me a last wish?
What is it?
What happened? Today you came to meet with me?
Because today I am meeting you for the last time.
What?
From today onwards, I won't meet you. That's enough. We need to stop all this.
Now it can't be stopped, Salil.
What do you mean?
Salil, what does it matter? I never stopped you from meeting Neha.
I felt sorry for you and now you're using it as your advantage.
Is that only I'm enjoying it and you're not enjoying it? And Salil, I can bet on that. The happiness which I'm giving you, you can never get it from Neha.
After today, we won't be meeting. That's all.
Whether we meet or not, it is not up to you. It is up to me.
What do you mean?
It means that the memories of the moment that we spent together, I have recorded all of them in my mobile. And I also have your girlfriend's Neha's phone number, which I have taken it from your phone. You can think like that. Just listen, Salil. It is better if you stay with her and with me also, and no one will know anything about us.
I will kill you. I swear. I will definitely kill you.
You can't kill someone who is already dying. And anyways, you're going to get your freedom only after I die. And yes, and this Sunday my mom and dad are going out for 2 days. So you better be there. We both will enjoy. Bye.
Now, who are you thinking about? Amisha? Amisha is not at all ready to stop. Just because I felt pity for her and to fulfill her last wish, I slept with her. Now she has started calling me every day.
So what's the problem?
See, meeting her is no problem. In hotels or at her friend's place. But whenever she meets me, she just wants to get undressed.
So my friend, why don't you enjoy that?
How could I enjoy that? Tell me what would happen if someday this problem would come to my home. I will get into trouble and
what else?
And what if Neha comes to know that I have a physical relation with my cousin sister? She would break up with me. That's why somehow I have to find a solution for this.
Well, tell me. You told me that she was going to die. What happened?
She's been saying this for a year now, but nothing happens to her.
Brother, I'm 100% sure that she is lying to you.
No, it is not like that. One day she got a severe attack, a major one. If I hadn't given her medicine, she wouldn't be alive.
So why did you give it? I mean that do one thing. Talk to her and tell her clearly that the relation is over and the tension is over. You cannot continue anymore.
Salil? Salil, my son, wake up! Salil,
What happened, father?
wake up!
Why are you waking me up so early?
Actually, son, they have taken Amisha to the hospital.
What? Is she still... what happened? What happened to her?
Yesterday night she drank a lot and later she got a panic attack. She was unconscious the whole night. When the maid came in the morning, she saw her and informed everyone, and after that took her to the hospital.
Oh no. Is she back to her senses?
No, my son. She is in coma.
Thank God.
Thank God.
Dad, at least she's alive.
That's true, but what is good in this, my son? Doctors are saying that she won't be coming back to her senses. Anyways, I'm going to the hospital. You also get ready and come there soon.
Sorry, Amisha. I'm really sorry. But you had left no option for me. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, my dear cousin.